using my bliss, fuck with all my innocence of it. I was never dreadful to be you. No, 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 no. I'm not alive. I am dead. How can I live with this fever in my head? Now I'm not alive. I am dead. Take me back. Went to the land of falling. I then walked it behind. I threw my ignorant filter and prayed without my God. Now I'm stuck with dusted of the forgotten man, and I just lay in the land that forged my dreams.